Hey, Lucas. Hey. Do you have your toes? How old are you? Are you 4 months old today? Yeah? Do you have your toes? What'd you find? Are you laughing? Yeah. Oh? Oh? Hello. You gave me a laugh a minute ago. Hi. Say, I'm 4 months old. Yeah? Oh. Hello. Hi. Wave hello. Wave hello. Yeah? Is it bedtime? I think it's bedtime, isn't it? Are we going to read a story tonight? Yeah? What story do you want to hear? Huh? Ooh, good question. Where are your toes? Can you find your toes? Huh? There's your toes. Are those your toes? Really? Wow, what a great smile. Huh? And it's past your bedtime. What a cutie pie. Oh, there you go. Now you have a neck. Are you a happy baby? Yes, you are, aren't you? What do you want to say? I love you, Bubba.